2018 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, side airbag, security system, power door locks, power windows, intermittent wipers, overhead console, tachometer, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, heated mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.